Holy cow. World's largest Mopar salvage yard, Hammer?
It don't smell good.
It's because we're over here by these GMs.
Oh.
Like, there's a Chevy truck. And then you look around, Firebird, 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 GTO, and then Cutlass, 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 Cutlass. I think this is probably like the aromas between the General Motors stuff and this massive Dodge collection. You taking a photo of a Firebird, buddy?
Yeah. I have an idea.
You have an idea?
Yeah.
We need a Firebird now?
No, we don't need one. It's just a little thing I'm gonna put up.
Look at that. That thing's got the shaker, man. That's a real deal one there, buddy. Look at the bird. Dude.
This one has some pretty good body work.
That's just a Firebird, but this is a Trans Am, dude. This is the thing. Mm-hmm. Yep, yep. Food for thought, Hammer Man. Let me come here and show you something real quick. They made basically two different body styles in these. Okay? And the difference mainly is in the rear or the back windows.
Back glass?
Look at that one and look at this one. That one is 74 and older, and this is 75 and newer. You see how it's smaller?
Yeah.
This one wraps around. This is kind of wild, man. I never would have imagined this. This is a black, no, that's a brown one.
Yeah.
With the yellow letters. This is, I don't know. Man, this is wild. I never would have imagined all these. I forgot that they were even back here and then bringing you out here. There's a GTO. We got to look at the GT. There's two GTOs. Wow. Man, I did not know this. I bet he'd sell these to me. He would normally won't sell nothing. He kind of likes me. Holy cow, is the old Milwaukees. Hammer, you ain't been driving this, have you?
No.
Whoa, man, I about fell over. Shoot, just like I've been intoxicated from the old Milwaukee cans. The dang button's pushed in and the door's closed. That means
You got a big old chunk of glass.
Ooh, that one feels better. Ooh, I might be able to get that one. Nope. Can't tell what kind of transmission's in it. Everything's in the way. Got bucket seats in it though. I like that tire. The tire brand is called Magic 50 wide belt. That's so cool. You can't tell. The console. There's an AC unit in the back. The car's not terribly rusty. I mean, it's got some in the bottom of the quarters, bottom of the fenders. That's where they all have it though. This isn't a Le Mans. Like, this is real deal GTO. GTO is the hypo one. Hammer, don't die. I'm gonna try to break a tree up.
Nice.
I don't know if it's got a motor in it. Yeah, it's got a motor in it. Nice and slow. That's the wrong motor though. It's got a, looks like a 389 sitting in it. That ain't the right valve covers. That's the old valve covers. In the back I saw where there was an AC box, and this is a non-AC car. It's non-power brake. There's a clutch rod sticking out of the firewall, so that means it was a 4-speed. Trying to look, see, it would be on that piece I thought. There's no radiator support cover. What's wrong?
Hot.
You hold the hood up for me and not kill me?
Yeah. That's a whole lot heavier than I thought.
242, that means she's a real deal GTO.
Good to let down.
Man, it's wild. See this thing sitting here? See the top left, it says 6924237.
Let's do some VIN decoding and break down what all of this means. The tag reads ST6924237 ATL 536647 25658C. ST69 refers to the style year, which is 1969 because that is the model year of this GTO. 24237 is the series and body style code. 2 means this is a Pontiac. 42 means this is a GTO series vehicle. And 37 means this is a two-door hardtop. ATL is the assembly plant code. ATL means this GTO was assembled in Atlanta, Georgia. 536647 is the Fisher body unit number. That means this was the 536,647th GTO to roll off of the assembly line. 256 is the interior trim code. 256 means this car had black vinyl bucket seats. 58 is the paint code. That means this GTO was painted midnight green metallic. Finally, the C tells you that this car had a black vinyl top.
There's poison oak right behind you, FYI.
Thanks, big guy. Don't have the louvers on the hood that are open. Jeez. Looks like it was green car. Green vinyl top. Mint green color.
Oh. That's a sticker. Champion.
That's kind of cool.
Dad. It's got a champion.
Wouldn't have guessed we'd been looking at GTOs today.
It's got a champion sticker on the front bumper.
I think that's a 69. 68, 69. It's a rough old car though. She's the genuine product.
Firebird.
Okay, Hammer. This teal color car,
Yeah.
that's a Charger. That's a Charger before the style Charger you like. What do you think about the styling before?
It looks like a modified Nova.
What?
I know Nova's like something.
Oh, you mean the early Novas? I could
Yeah.
kind of see that. It's just weird how they went from that, like they were struggling with that car, but they absolutely knocked it out of the park on that next one, ain't it?
What's that, 67, 66?
Yep. 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 So what if we took one of them, painted it orange, and put 01 on the door?
That'd be something.
See, Gage, what do you think? Do you think it's cooler with? Without?
With.
With? Yeah. That's a starter. That goes in the engine.
Well, I knew that.
Look, this is the organic engine. You can tell.
It's green.
Yeah, like a lot. This one's been here so long, it's like from Adam and Eve. It's kind of covering up its ugly parts. Yeah. Come on, bro, you're gonna break something. Look how the windshield looks like an octopus on it.
It does.
So what are we gonna call this one? That's a sport. That's what you call a sport satellite, Hammer. What'd you have for breakfast this morning, buddy?
Spicy chicken biscuit from Quick Mart.
Was it any good?
Yeah.
It just all right?
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
Seat, tires, transmission, more tires.
This is a plain Jane one here, Hammer. This is a Road Runner. This one looks like it's fairly complete. Pop a hood on it if you can, boss man.
I can't reach far enough. Oh. Ow, it's hot.
Ooh-wee. Floors are a little gone.
Got it. 883.
383?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Man, that is crazy. That's wild seeing this thing still together. They got this thing on it. They call it the pie plate. See that little aluminum cover?
Whew. I'm good on power right now.
There's no belt on it, so we can't try to turn it. This is wild seeing this car together.
Yeah.
I mean, this is... Dude, look at the license plate, man. 1975, holy cow.
Yeah. Well,
I'm gonna go around to the other side. Nah, that ain't going. Man, I won't in there because it's bad. I know it sounds weird, Hammer, but most of these cars have been taken apart. And this one's still together. It's like missing the front bumper, but
that's it, pretty much.
yeah.
This would probably be the easiest build.
Eh,
Well,
just kind of neat. That's all I'm trying to say. It'd be kind of cool.
will we keep it white if we do redo it?
I don't know.
I feel like it'd look good, like dark blue. Blue.
Let's see what else we can find. There's another one of them pretty cars you like right there.
Oh, I don't at all. Going on a journey. Hey, 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 hey.
You know, Hammer, we didn't really find a whole lot of inspiration, but I still had a good time today.
Found some cool stuff.
Yeah, we did find some cool stuff.
And some possible valuable stuff.
Well, that's cool shop hanger stuff for bedroom for you. You like that?
Yeah.
So.
I can put my little charger one in the shop.
Whatever,
And
buddy.
my big one in my room.
If you want that stuff in your room, cool. If you want to hang it in the shop, that's cool too.
Guess what? Baby charger. That's like one for a girl.
We're going to have a charger sometime. Sooner than later.
I mean, we already have one, but I just want to sit down in some shade without risking getting snake bit.